Hi, I'm Dr. Bill Shore here with one of my faves with the beautiful new TikTok trending frameless glasses things. I don't know. Kimberly's been coming to me for
8 years.
8 years. Makes me look younger every day, right? So we're going to adjust her upper back and neck today. So here we go. So you want to swing your legs on up there. And how are we doing today?
Good. I feel good.
Excellent. Let your legs lay flat.
All right.
Squish down a little bit. And we're going to get this anterior right there. Here we go. 1, 2. Take a nice deep breath in. Head backwards and breathe out. Beautiful.
Ooh.
Good. Nice. We're going to take your frameless glasses off. Put them right here. And we're going to adjust your neck. Let your arms relax. Here we go. Awesome. Put this right over here. Easy. Let your head relax. Nice. One more. Beautiful. Little traction, little drop. Perfect.
Yes.
Good stuff. Good stuff. Come on over. All right. Turn the power on. Hope she's going to have a great day. And a great weekend.
I am.
Awesome. Thanks so much. Good seeing you guys.